This is the DVD playing.
I had a wonderful flight, and I'm wondering if you can do me a favor. I'm wondering if you can pass this along. Now go. Rug had been stolen. It was a 1,000-year-old prayer rug.
That was the DVD. It has TV. It has a radio. This is radio. DVD and then TV.
I'm just so happy to be in America. Back on her feet.
She runs a catering business and a bait shop?
Not at the same.
TV.
With Weinstein was secretly taped during an NYPD sting operation in 2015, now obtained by the New Yorker.
I just used this small antenna to get all the channels.
This was being,
Gets
characterized as a
all the
girl who was a
channels.
kind of serial accuser.
Here's the remote.
Clearly on the make. I mean, all of this Ragnarok as hella.
Here is the remote.
You're in my seat.
I would love for someone else to rule, but it can't be you. You're just...
It's 20 or 60.
There we go. So that's it. And of course, it's going to be hard doing it by one hand. This swivels and it goes, it tucks under.
You listen to me, Daisy Ray. Just because I got us this job doesn't mean I will do it.
Power off. Let me do it. Swivels and then closes. And then once it's closed, it's pretty thin. It's about like 3-4 inches thick, maybe 3 inches. And the remote has a magnet, so it sticks to metal. If you have something metal in the kitchen, it'll stick to it. So, it won't fall. So you can find it when you need it. Well, that's it. I mean, comes with the box, with the remote. It's got a lot of the screws and the little plastic grommets. This is it. What you see is what you get. Here's instructions on how to mount it to the cabinet. Here's the box.